Let's use our new knowledge of frequency band power information to build a simple program that moves the drone forward when our focus or mental workload levels increase. To get started, let's first get our drone to take off. To do this, click on the drone category and drag the takeoff block to the workspace. After receiving the takeoff command from our computer, the drone needs time to send instructions to the 4 propellers. To give the drone time to process the takeoff command, we will need to add the wait block. The wait block can be found in the logic category. Next, we'll need a way to make our program continuously send commands to the drone. To do this, we'll need to use a repeat block. The repeat block can be found in the loop category. For this example, we'll make our program loop 100 times. Since we know we want our drone to move forward, let's go ahead and grab the forward block from the drone category. Similar to the takeoff block, the drone will need time to process the forward block. So let's add a wait block after the forward block. If we simply add the forward and wait block inside of our loop block, the drone will go forward 100 times. At this point, you should test out your program to make sure everything works. To test the program, press the green arrow in the top right corner. Your drone should take off and go forward after waiting 3 seconds 100 times. When you're ready to land the drone, press the stop button in the top right corner.